Let me back up a second. I'm Fred, and recently Discovery launched Make Your World Bigger, a series all about new experiences and breaking out of your comfort zone. Well, to kick things off, we thought we'd dive straight in at the deep end. That is, if the deep end is being strapped to the top of a plane at 5,000 feet. We were invited down by AeroSuperBatics, otherwise known as the Flying Circus, the world's only formation wingwalking team, to try our hand in one of the world's most dangerous activities.
That was insane.
Here's how it went.
So we've just arrived here in Cirencester. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and am I nervous? I'm a little bit nervous. You look down there, the hangar, that's where the planes are kept, and as you can see, the weather is perfect, so I'm very happy about that because I feel like if it was raining it'd be an absolute nightmare.
The day would consist of 2 flights, a warm-up and then the grand finale, which would include dives, loop-the-loops and barrel rolls.
In this risk awareness film, we are going to cover a few important points before you take part in your wingwalking experience.
Yeah, it was good. It's just telling me all the risks, so I'm fully aware of all the risks. I mean, there's loads. As long as I come back down.
As the plane rolled over, it was suddenly starting to sink in that I would shortly be strapped to the top of it.
Oh damn, blue steel.
Yeah, so this is it. Sounds pretty sturdy.
Put these around your neck and we'll put them on properly when you get up there.
Cool.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Safety over comfort, that's my motto, right? Am I right? Am I right?
Little safety brief.
Yep.
So, if at any point you want to get down, just put your arms out and your thumbs down. Dave can see you the whole time.
Perfect.
And they'll land straight away.
Awesome.
Right, enjoy.
Thank you. It feels like I'm high up here.
How's it going to feel when I'm...
With the safety briefing over and my seatbelt fastened, all that was left to do was hold on.
Are you ready for phase 1?
My face is taking an absolute pounding.
Wow. That was something you will never ever experience anything like it unless you do something like that. Oh, do you know what? My head's just going crazy right now. It's just absolute carnage. Air was just going in and then back out, and it was just, but your nose and your face is just thrown back. But yeah, that was one of the best experiences of my life.
Ready for round 2?
Get me back up there. We're just going to have a listen to my microphone that was there. That sounds like me screaming. Yeah, that's me screaming.
So we're flying with the other aircraft, Fred. After a short while, we'll peel away and then we'll go into some aerobatics. It will be a loop,
Yeah,
maybe 2 loops, and barrel rolling. With the loop, it'll be a dive to about 150 miles an hour, be about 4G pull. And then as we come down, we'll start accelerating again. Again, you'll feel some G, we'll pitch up and then we'll go into a roll.
well, this sounds great, and I'm excited / nervous. Right, time to do some
Take technical hand signal there.
Any advice for the loop-the-loops?
Tense a little bit. Goes a little bit background box.
What? Are you joking?
No, you'll be fine.
I can't tell if you're joking or not. Warm up done. Time for the grand finale. Insane. Thanks so much, that was amazing. When we did the loop-the-loop, I was giving you the thumbs up so you knew I wasn't passed out. And then I thought, oh no, does he think I want another one? Because then you were like, I was like, no, that's not what I was saying. So nice to be on the ground. So the loop-the-loop, we just got so high. We were above some of the clouds, we went through some of the clouds, totally upside down, and it does feel like everyone else is upside down and you're not. But there were moments in there where I was genuinely thinking, this is what it'd be like to be Superman, which is pretty cool, but also what it feels like to be strapped on a plane on a Monday morning. But ticking the boxes, I'm very happy I've done it. What a day. What a day. Unbelievable scenes. I said yes, I've expanded my horizon. I've ticked all the boxes, that's all you need to know. I'm just excited to see what's next. And again, we want to know what you guys are up to, and it doesn't have to be wing walking. We just want to hear from you guys. So I guess that's it. And remember, make your world bigger. If you want to see more of this, give the video a thumbs up and comment below how you'd make your world bigger. And who knows,